main living area. And behind that's the kitchen. This is a door to the backyard. And water heater's kind of removed at the moment, but there's where it goes. Two of them sitting in here. Attic access. And bathroom. One of the bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. Oh, and then there's a little linen area. Bedroom number 2, which actually has 2 closets, one here and one over here. And it just happens to have a bunch of kitchen cabinets sitting in it. Not sure if it's enough for the kitchen or not. And then through the living room, the beginning of a garage conversion. You can see they built closed in the door. And the space is sitting here. So there you go. That is this house out in Bennett.